Hi everyone and welcome to channel Ankit Food for Thought. Today this is a first recipe of season 2. In this season I am introducing Alexa in my channel. Today I am making keema kachori with a twist. Hope you will like it. Now food facts. Alexa, please tell benefits of kiwi.
Here's what I found on kiwi fruit's Wikipedia page. Kiwis are rich in vitamin C, vitamin K, potassium, and fiber. Kiwi fruit pulp contains carotenoids, such as provitamin A beta-carotene, lutein and zeaxanthin.
Ingredients. So here we are using minced lamb or keema, salt, red chili as per your own taste, cumin powder, garlic and mixed herbs butter, garlic, ginger, chopped onions, garam masala, turmeric or haldi powder, all purpose flour. Ingredients for dough for kachori. So for that I have taken all purpose flour in the bowl and I have already added cumin powder, salt in it, and I am going to add the herbs butter in this and water. So I am going to add this butter and a little bit of water. So the dough is prepared and now we will cover it with the moist cloth, and after that we will keep it aside at room temperature for 20 to 25 minutes. Now preparation of filling. So for that I am going to add 1 tablespoon of clarified butter, and after that I am going to add onions and ginger garlic paste to it. So you can add the butter or the clarified butter according to your own. So now I'm going to add the ginger garlic paste to it and I'm going to stir it for some time. Please note that we are just cooking it on the low flame. Now I'm going to add onions to it. You can see the golden brown color of the ginger and garlic in it, and now I'm going to add the onions. And now we are going to stir fry it for some time. Now I'm going to add a little bit of jeera or cumin seeds to it. So you can see the color of the onions are golden brown, and now I'm going to add tomato puree to it, and this is approximately 3 tomato puree of 3 tomatoes. Now I'm going to add salt. I am adding 1 teaspoon of salt to it, and I am also adding half teaspoon of turmeric or haldi powder and half teaspoon of red chili powder. I am also adding a little bit, or you can say half teaspoon of garam masala. You can also use meat masala or chicken masala in it as per your own taste. Now I am going to add the mutton keema or the minced lamb in it. After cooking for 5 minutes, I am going to cover it with the lid for 15 minutes. So after 15 to 20 minutes, we prepared the minced lamb keema mixture, and now we are going to fill it in the kachori. Ingredients for kachori. So here I am going to give a twist to kachori. I am using the base keema which I have prepared as a mixture, and after that I am going to use 1 kiwi in 1 kachori and another one an egg in the kachori. Basically I am using an egg yolk, and in third one I am using the coconut chutney along with the lamb mixture. Now I'm going to fill the kachori with the mixture, so I'm going to use this. Now to give it a twist, I have added walnuts and kiwi in one kachori, the egg yolk in the other, and coconut chutney in the third. So we have stuffed all the kachoris and now we are going to deep fry it. Now we are deep frying these kachoris on slow flame. Now plating. Here I have used the three different types of kachori. Number 1 is egg kachori, number 2 is kiwi, and number 3 is coconut chutney kachori. Here I have plated it along with the kiwi. These are the kiwis. On the top of it I have used cranberries, and apart from that I have also used coconut chutney over here and cucumber skin for the plating purpose along with kiwis. Food for thought. This recipe is dedicated on occasion of World Mental Health Day, which is on 10th October 2020. So keep mental health strong by eating healthy, nutritious and tasty food. Now a quick recap. So main ingredients used are keema 250 grams, cumin powder half teaspoon, red chili half teaspoon, turmeric half teaspoon, salt as per taste, garam masala, all purpose flour, garlic and herbs butter 30 grams, garlic, ginger and onion, 2 in number or 3 in number depending upon your mixture. Now preparation of dough. Here I am using all purpose flour 1 bowl, melted herbs and garlic butter 30 grams, cumin powder, salt and water. Make a dough and cover it with a wet cloth and let it rest for 20 to 25 minutes. Preparation of mixture. Add 1 tablespoon of clarified butter, ginger garlic paste. Now after 2 minutes add chopped onions to it and add red chili, turmeric powder, garam masala, salt to it. Now add tomato purees and saute it for 5 minutes. Add minced meat and cook it for 5 minutes and then cover for 15 to 20 minutes on slow flame. Preparation of kachori. Add lamb mix, and in first kachori add walnuts and kiwi. In second I have added egg yolk along with lamb mix, and in third I have used coconut chutney along with lamb mix. Now deep fry it. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, share and comment. Thank you.